Can't get Vizio SmartCast to work? If Vizio SmartCast is not working, it could be due to network issues, software glitches, or outdated firmware. SmartCast depends on a stable internet connection, and troubleshooting steps like restarting the TV, updating the software, or resetting SmartCast can help restore its functionality. 1. Check the internet connection. SmartCast requires a strong and stable internet connection to work properly. Press the menu button on the remote and go to Network, then Test Connection to check the status. If the connection is weak or disconnected, restart the Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. If using Wi-Fi, move the router closer to the TV or connect via Ethernet for a more stable connection. 2. Restart your Vizio TV. A power cycle can help fix SmartCast issues. Step 1. Turn off the TV and unplug it from the power outlet. Step 2. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 10 seconds. Step 3. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug the TV back in and turn it on. Step 4. Try opening SmartCast again. 3. Update the TV software. An outdated firmware can cause SmartCast problems. Step 1. Press the menu button and go to Settings, then System, then check for updates. Step 2. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 3. Restart the TV after the update and try using SmartCast again. 4. Reset SmartCast or perform a factory reset. If SmartCast is still not working, resetting the system might help. Reset SmartCast. Go to Settings, then System, then Reset, and Admin, then Soft Power Cycle. Factory reset. Last resort. Go to Settings, then System, then Reset, and Admin, then Reset TV to factory defaults. This will erase all settings and restore the TV to its original state. 5. Use alternative methods to stream content. If SmartCast is still not working, try these alternatives. Use Chromecast or AirPlay. Cast content from a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Use a streaming device. Connect a Roku, Fire Stick, or Apple TV to access apps. Use HDMI. Connect a laptop or gaming console to stream content directly. If SmartCast is not working, checking the Wi-Fi connection, restarting the TV, updating the software, or resetting the system can help fix the issue. If the problem continues, using a streaming device or casting from a mobile device can provide an alternative way to access content.